to even the trade between our two countries by exploring possibilities of exports from Kenya, whether it is our avocados, the tea, coffee, macadamia. I'm happy that we are now exploring possibilities of the sectors of livestock, both beef and leather products. Again, that would help cement and consolidate the relationship between Kenya and China. The relationship between Kenya and China is built on a very solid foundation. China having been the fourth country in the world to recognize Kenya's independence in 1963. And we don't take for granted that over the last 60 years, we have built a very solid relationship at every stage and making it better. And my coming to China this time round is a confirmation of our commitment to elevate this relationship for the mutual benefit of Kenya and China. Kenya is a great champion of renewable energy, and that is why our grid is almost 93% renewable. And that is a deliberate decision that we made as a country. And I am very happy that you have technologies that can work with us to leverage on our renewable energy assets, both in geothermal. We have between 10 and 20 gigawatts of geothermal energy potential. We have around 60 gigawatts of solar energy potential, between 20 and 30 gigawatts of wind energy potential. And we still have hydro capabilities around the country. And I would want to persuade you and your company to look at the possibilities of working with us as the government of Kenya to unlock the opportunities for this energy as part of enhancing the energy pool